Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to enable or how to disable noise cancellation on the Redmi Buds 5. So the first step is to open the Xiaomi Earbuds app, and then from here remove the buds from the charging case so that they can start connecting with the app. Once they've connected with the app, you should see these three options: transparency, noise cancellation, and off. If you want to enable noise cancellation, then the first step is to wear the buds. And once you have them, once you've put them in your ears, you can now see tap on noise cancellation. Then once you've selected noise cancellation, you should see this slider. To adjust it to your liking, you have three options. You have light, you have balanced, and you have deep. So those are the ways you can use your noise cancellation feature. If you wanted to turn it off, you can always choose to select transparency, or you can simply tap on off and it will be disabled. Alternatively, you can always choose to use the gestures on the Redmi Buds 5. So scroll down and select gestures, and then choose which gesture you want to apply noise cancellation to. Once you've selected the gesture, so for example, I've selected press and hold right earphone as my noise cancellation gesture. So now, whenever I want to enable it, I would press and hold on my right earphone to enable noise cancellation. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.